There are times where you might want to view the symbols in monochrome rather than colour. Perhaps you're working with a student that prefers simple black and white line drawings to colour images. If I type the sentence, "The elephant hid behind the tree," you'll see that the symbols are currently in colour. I can change that by highlighting the text, and then by clicking on this icon on the top toolbar. As you can see, the symbols are now in black and white. If we click that button again, colour will be restored to the symbols. You can also choose whether individual symbols are in colour or monochrome. So if I highlight just the single word in this sentence, so if I highlight elephant, then click on the button, the colour will only return for that one symbol. If you're working with a student with visual impairments, you may want to use high contrast colours. SymWriter 2 will allow you to customise the colour of the line drawings, the text, and the background colour of your document. So first of all, we're going to highlight the text we want to change by dragging over it. Then we're going to go to Format, and we're going to select Text and Symbol Formatting from the drop down. In here, you can choose an alternative font colour. So if we select yellow, we've got a preview window here. So before we commit to any changes, we'll see what our document will end up looking like. And we've also got the option to change the symbol line colour. So if again, we set that to yellow. At the moment, it's on a white background, which isn't ideal, but we'll change that in a minute. If we click OK, it will take us back to our document. So now we need to change the background colour of our document. To do that, if we go to File and Page Setup, we've got the option to select an alternative paper colour. So if we select a dark blue and click OK, it will take us back to our document, which is now set up to use high contrast colours, ideal for students with visual impairments. I'm just going to open a new document so I can show you how you can use the Skin Tones tool along the top toolbar to customise your symbol colours further. If I type the sentence, "The girl is happy," you'll notice that these symbols here have skin tones associated with them, and you can change those skin tones by highlighting the text. Then, by clicking on the Skin Tones tool on the top toolbar, you'll be given the choice of 6 preset skin tones. So if I select this one, you can see that the skin tone in these symbols is now changed, and just like we did when we turned symbol colour on and off completely, you don't have to apply that change to the whole sentence or the whole paragraph. You can select individual symbols, then click the Skin Tones tool and set a different skin tone for that one symbol. So just to recap what we've gone through over the last 2 videos, the Colour Palette tool on the top toolbar will allow you to change the colours that are used to build up a particular symbol. You can choose whether your symbols are black and white or colour, and you can apply that change to sentences, paragraphs, or individual words. And we can change the skin tones associated with symbols. And in the example we looked at earlier, if you're working with a student that maybe needs high contrast colours in their document, so someone with visual impairments, you can customise the text colour, the line colour of your monochrome symbols, and the background colour of your document.